All right, we're gonna find the least common multiple. We're gonna do two examples. First example is to find it between 3 and 6. Right, my step 1 is to list the multiples. So those are like my skip countings or my count bys. So I'm gonna do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, etc. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, ... Now I need to find the multiples that they have that in common. Well, I see they both have a 6, they both have 12, they both have 18. So my common ones were 6, 12, and 18. Step 3, which of those was the smallest? 6 is the smallest of those numbers, so the least common multiple, or the LCM, between 3 and 6 is 6. I'm going to erase this center part. Now we're going to take it up a notch. We're going to find the least common multiple between 4 and 9. So again, step 1, list your multiples. 4, 8, 12, 15, whoops, that's not a multiple of 4. What was I thinking? 16 is though. 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And we can go on if we need to later. List your multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, etc. All right, now we need to find the ones that they have that are the same. They're common multiples. Well, 4 isn't there, 8 isn't in my 9s, nor is 12, 16. Okay, you could just keep going on and on. I know that they both have 36 in common, and I don't see any other numbers that are listed in common right now. That means that 36 is the least common multiple, or the LCM is 36. Let's do one more example. We're going to do an example between, let's do between 5 and 6. List my multiples of 5. This should be super easy for you. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, find my multiples of 6. Okay, what do they have? That's the same. Step 2. Let's see here. I see that 30 is the same, and on this list, that's all. If I continued this 5s to 55, 60, you would see that 60 is also in common. But what did we find first? 30. 30 is smaller. It's the least. So my least common multiple, or the LCM, between 5 and 6 is 30. I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions.